Been walking with my head down, just trying to drown the noise out. But I'm craving something different, praying for revelation.